to calm me down. They say I can't drink rum. Oh God, so much a girl in town, so much a girl in town. That want you. Everybody know I do a behavior. From July reach in Grenada. I get a flight but I don't get accommodation. So find me all over the nation, making a whole set of bad decision. Under the counter is a bad decision.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are looking at the GenX Jouvert. This is fresh into the week after going to multiple parties. I think this was probably one of the best parties that we've been to. We made sure this is I think it's our fourth time coming in. It did not disappoint. The road march was a lot longer than we expected, but it definitely was a road march. It was preparing us for the next day. So you can see lots of paint, lots of powder.
Ladies, if all your friends look good, make some noise. Ladies, if all your friends look good, put their hands in the air right now.
As you can see, Alex made a whole lot of friends during this time. Half the time, trust me, man. I don't know how she found it, but she found it. Everywhere I was looking, she was talking to somebody different. And trust me, everybody was on vibes. Everybody was on party. Everybody was on something. And it was great. It was good. It was good. If you weren't there, you should have been there. All of what you're seeing on screen right now is all that was around us, trust me. Best believe. I think we stayed by truck 3, and truck 3 was definitely where the happenings was. You see that waterman on the truck? It has been the official waterman for GenX. Hey, white man, you know, man, trust me, man. Hey, I'm gonna tell you something. And to show you how good this party was.
They try to calm me down, they try to calm me down. They say I can't drink rum. Oh God, so much a girl in town, so much a girl in town. That want you.
All these shoots that Alex is shooting, I don't know when she did it. Because half the time she's whining and talking to persons, but somehow Alex gets these shots. Yes, that's all the firemen. The firemen were doing their job pretty well. I don't know how to do it, but God bless them. Yes, and there was a bride to be. She made sure that she's having her bachelorette party at Jouvert.
We don't want no bad vibes in the mass. Everybody ready up for the mass.
Alright, so when we got back, it was time to collect some breakfast. And trust me, even though the breakfast was being collected, it was not finished. The party did not end, not by a long shot. As you can see, people were on the ground, people were on the water truck, people were standing by the hose. The waterman was having the time of his life. Everybody was a waterman. At this point, everybody was holding the hose at some point in time. At some point, they were throwing out powder and paint like it couldn't finish. If you see in the video, all you saw was paint and powder. It was crazy. It was amazing.
Listen, I did not recover from daybreak. I left daybreak at like 5 o'clock. The room is spinning. I went to Jouvert with a fever and feeling like I'm still hungover, but I never even drank a lot at daybreak. But your girl is literally on empty, like not even an E in the gas tank, on literal the mark below E. And yeah, I need to sleep. I need to wash my hair and sleep. I need to wash my hair, I need to shower take a painkiller, and sleep. Luckily today is Saturday. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go anywhere on Sunday, but wow, look at the tan, my God. Ooh. Oh my.
They try to calm me down, they try to calm me down. They say I can't drink rum. Oh God, so much a girl in town, so much a girl